Merv, I know Charles was here. Yeah. Merv, your room is a mess.
Lizzie.
Little Lizzie doesn't have time to wait.
I haven't thrown it yet.
Annie, guess what? Chicken butt. Guess what happened at work today? You don't care.
क्या किया आज? मारी है मेरे?
Walter, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, you want to go? You want to go for a walk?
Good morning. Have you been up for a while? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Food is always their priority.
Okay. Eat
that bug. You want to eat it? What are you waiting for?
Communicating with Cat might be really confusing sometimes.
It's because there's a window there. Honey, say hello.
I love you. I love you.
Cat's intention is pretty simple.
I love you.
Why are you on the candles? Are they your candles now? Very sassy.
What did you do yesterday? Did you get lost? Did you? And how long were you gone for? What? 3 days? How much trouble did you get in?
True.
Sheldon, ты голодный? Good morning. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing?
So I'm not ready to go to bed yet. I'm sorry. You really want to go to bed? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. All right, bedtime, I guess. Jeez.
You see? Now he gets it now. He understands now. Nice.
I've been playing with you all morning. I literally stopped to just have my coffee, and now you're not even letting me finish talking. I need to have some me time. No.
Comment tu dis maman? Oui.
Tina, sit. Thank you. I'm a lesbian.
Wow.
What's the matter, George? What's the matter? You wanna go to bed? Yeah, you wanna go to bed now?
You are not going outside. No. Get up. Get up. Hey, up. Excuse. Get up.
I will always love.
Okay. You want some treats?
Deserve that.
Right? And then we're to get your treats and your chicken.
How aggressive can you lick yourself? That's not very aggressive. More aggressive. I am right here.
From Tiger's relatives to Hello Kitty, huh?
Yeah. It's Mommy. Hi.
It seems to have waited for Mom for so long.
Oh.
What you meowing at?
To be honest,
Meow. Meow.
I haven't seen a lot of these people since the CEO debacle and my time in the Bush administration.
Cutie. No, you can't get on. No, you can't get on. No cuddles. No.
Good morning. You ready to wake up?
Literally me every morning on the bed.
Come on, Grumpy. Come on, Grumpy.
Evelyn. Evelyn.
Don't be too rushed. They'll get bored.
Evelyn.
Believe me, there is no good thing in refusing Cat's order on food.
Jimmy? Du hast jetzt nicht vor der Tür gewartet, bis ich mit dem Baden fertig bin, oder? Ey, du tust wieder so, als wärst du kurz vorm Verhungern.
Hi. How are you? You good?
What's your problem? Why are you trying to break out? It's 1 in the morning. Where are you going?
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.
It's not safe.
Hi. What are you doing? I can't come in there. I have to watch Bing. Bing has stitches. Bing has stitches. I can't follow you. Sorry.
You want to tell me about your day? Oh, it was good? What'd you do? Oh, that's nice. That sounds really good. Oh, wow. Ain't that? Jeez, you did a lot.
Cosmo, I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm fucking gay, dude. I'm gay.
Would you like some more dinner? What? You don't want your sprouts? Why? Why don't you like sprouts? No? Well, do you want me to eat your sprouts? Yes. I'll eat your sprouts then. There's your dinner.
What's wrong? I can't keep petting you. I need to work. Okay.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Leo.
Are you making breakfast? What's for breakfast today? Sushi? With salmon? Tuna? And chicken. Ooh, that sounds tasty.
What? Oh, is that so? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Rock, are you hungry? You want wet food? Do you want to give me a headbutt for wet food?
Yeah. No way Kitty would refuse a good deal like that.
Playing last night at 2 in the morning? Yeah, you kept me up. Are you tired now because you were up all night?
Oh my goodness. What was that? What was that? Are you tired? Did you have a tough day?